Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Great project for you this winter or spring or whenever. Just a nice, solid, old Western South Dakota car, 68 Dodge Coronet. Be a perfect one to make into a RT clone or put a fuel-injected Hemi in it. It's pretty solid. It is complete. Fender's a little wrinkled there. I was guessing it was a vinyl top car at one time. There, the door's got a little rub in it. The floors look like they're darn near new. I mean, the floors are really solid. Trunk's a little weak, but there you can see it's kind of buckets with a console type in it. But pretty much all complete. Gotta love that shag carpet there on there, or fleece on the door panel. Said not super rusty, got a little bit down there in the bottom of the quarter and then on the rear of the quarter. Trunk lid's kind of bad right there. And then same deal here. Got a little rust on the rear of the quarter and a little mud on the front of this quarter. But for the most part, pretty solid truck or car. Pretty solid car. Has the motor in it. I believe just a 318 car. But you can build this to anything you want to build it to. So any questions? 605-695-7391.